Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to VIVO V50e. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then tap on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of VIVO. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, hit allow a few more times and then access your files. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it? In here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To input this key, hit input key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then choose Receive button to connect. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Wherever you decided, wait for your device to connect and for transfer to be done. Close and add. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!